Tell me honestly, would you use it in the laundry? Would you sacrifice your fellow takodachi who have volunteered to become the mesh laundry pouch to promote a cleaner clothing world? Yes. 10 out of 10. Yes. No. No. Security department. We have a code 7. We have a code 7, dirty laundry taco, in the chat. I kind of think maybe it would have been fun if like the eyes of taco were like in those spirals, like guru guru guru. They're in the washing machine, but you know, I feel like a takodachi would enjoy the trip in the washing machine with a smile, you know? They're strong and independent tacos. Okay.